Hi guys. Okay, let's talk about Hess law. First of all, what is Hess law? Hess law is a law of summation. The energy of one big chemical reaction can be the sum of the energies coming from smaller steps that make up that one big final reaction. What are the uses of Hess law? The applications of Hess law. Let us look at the application of Hess law in the food industry. The nutritionists and the food scientists are studying the amount of energy in the form of calories that is liberated by a certain food type. So the Hess law is applied there to understand how much of the calories can be released when a certain quantity of the food gets consumed. So basically, they're studying the biochemical and the metabolism in the human systems. Next is look at some other chemical reactions which are very, very slow. Certain reactions that need to be speed up because we are interested in the final product. So how do we do that? That's where the principles of Hess law play a role. Now look at the automobile engineers who are trying to make very efficient engines. So the engines are going to be either releasing energy or they're going to be consuming energy. So when they make use of gasoline, how can they make efficient engines? That is where they take the help of Hess law. Similarly, in manufacturing, where they're designing, products on a very large scale, so they want to make their processes efficient, less energy during the processes, and the final productivity, should be there with the consumption of less energy. So overall energy that is needed in the system to produce that final product, how much is that? So that information, the process engineers, chemical engineers, they need so that they can make the systems more efficient. Okay, so these are just the basic general applications of Hess law. Now let us look at those applications of Hess law in the chemical reactions and how do we balance those equations. Okay, so just bear with me for a minute.